What should be the narrative really for this Finance for Development report? It comes every 10 years. The last two were in 2005, 2015. These were good years. It was two good decades for the developing world. They were converging towards the richer world, growing very fast. Commodity prices were high. They had access to finance from the market, from China, from HIPC, had reduced their debts. We are in a very different situation today. So while the messages then were extremely lofty and ambitious, there's a risk today of only staying at long-term trillions potentially coming, because in the developing world right now, the situation is extremely tight, very difficult. There is literally a development crisis unfolding. And so leaders are very angry when they are asked to talk about lofty future when their house is burning today. And so I think it's very important in the narrative to focus on the urgency of the situation, on actually being able to bring finance, urgent finance today in order to allow countries to pass these difficult periods and be able to build a good decade for development. There's really a risk that this will be a lost decade, with the current liquidity crisis transforming itself into a systemic debt crisis, and then we'll be stuck negotiating debts and not being able to make progress on anything. So I would recommend a more modest proposal this time, more modest narratives, focusing on fixing the current liquidity crisis in order to consolidate gains and be able then to start focusing on more ambitious programs.